Welcome to the We Care Reminder, the easiest way to support your favorite nonprofit without spending a penny of your own money. You just download the reminder for Firefox or Internet Explorer and forget about it. The next time you shop at a participating merchant, a donation will automatically be made to your cause at no cost to you. Getting started takes about a minute. Click the Get Started button. A dialog box will pop up. Just click Run and follow Windows installation steps. Restart your browser and you're done. The next time you visit a participating merchant, the reminder will thank you for supporting your cause. Click OK and shop as you normally do, knowing that you're supporting a cause you believe in. We understand that privacy is important, so the We Care Reminder doesn't collect any personally identifiable information.